Hey, what's up, guys? Keith Rainville here. So I'm going to show you another really cool um, tool that is going to be fantastic. It has a lot to offer. It's a scraper for TikTok, X, Facebook, Instagram, um, Google Maps, LinkedIn. It's got a lot, and it has a lot to offer. One of the things that I like about it is the Instagram follower scraper. Okay, guys. But today we're going to just show you on this particular video how to scrape TikTok. Okay, by keyword. Okay, guys. So here we go. Don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to the channel. I hope you like the video. But I've got some really exciting stuff. We're going to be doing some property um, software on here that allows real estate agents to get 20, 30,000 properties with contact data in their area. It's going to be a great tool for them to use to get new listings, find vacant homes for investors, and things like that, guys. So that's all coming soon. Also, guys, we are going to have just one channel now across the board. I'm going to be placing all my videos on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube here, but under one name. So it's all going to be under Keith Rainville, guys. So this way you can subscribe to my data a lot easier, subscribe to my content a lot easier, rather, and find my videos. So we're going to be posting a lot of content, my friends. Here we go. And as you know, I like to get right to the point and kind of cut out the fluff and the BS. All right, so we're going to go to the scrape TikTok by keyword. And this particular program is run by credits. So you subscribe to it and you get a particular amount of credits. I think I'm on the 149 plan. I get 100,000 credits. Now they don't roll over. That's the only thing I don't like about it is that the credits do not roll over. But if you're signing up affiliates for these guys, they will negotiate that with you. Okay, so if you're going to use this software a lot, which I do, and sign people up, then it's a great program. $149 a month again for 100,000 credits. Okay, so TikTok scraper by keyword. So let's say we want keyword. Let's do. I don't know why I always end up with beef jerky, but let's do scrape TikTok by beef jerky. And we're going to do this in the United States. And how many leads do I want? Now I just want to show you the data, so I'm only going to simply put 50 in here, okay? And then now at the bottom, how this works is at the bottom here it says include synonyms in search, and then avoid duplicates from previous searches. So that's going to grab an extra half a credit from you. Each search is one credit, so I tend not to have that clicked. And then unless I'm working on a job, of course, then I might do that. And then validate the emails. I buy millions of clicks on Millionaire Verify at a time because I'm in the data business, so I'm constantly verifying data. So I don't use that because it's just too expensive for me, where I get it for a lot cheaper, a lot less money, okay, on Millionaire Verify. So guys, here we go. We're going to just simply hit the search key. Now, the one thing I like about this is it's really fast, okay? So it says it could take up to 10 minutes, but it's going to take literally up to about 10 seconds here, okay? So as you see, it's running TikTok, beef jerky, and Shazam. It is done, right? So it's ready. So what I do here is if I want to download a CSV file or if I want to download an Excel file. So I'm going to just download the CSV file. I'm going to click on that here. And let's see what kind of data it's scraped, okay? So click in the corner here and you can spread out your columns, auto fit, and let's go. So this is the email. This is the name of the channel. So as you see, it by keyword, it went through all the jerky, delicious beef jerky, just $80, Jerky King, so on and so forth. So, and then the home page, and then the search term I used, and the location. So let's check it out. Let's see what kind of data this has given us. All right. Okay, so this guy is the Jerky King, huh? So this is the kind of videos that I would want to see or my customer would want. So this is a guy. He's got 518,000 followers here. So that's pretty cool. TikTok, right? So then let's just check out another one. Let's just go to let's go to Meet Dad. Sounds like a cool guy. All right. Let's go here. And let's type in, put in Meet Dad and check his channel out. All right, 1.4 million. So this guy is looks like another jerky maker, or uses a keyword beef jerky in some of his videos. So that's pretty cool. And then again, guys, you can just keep on going and checking these things out. But most of the important things is why people want this data is because, let's say they sell knives or they sell seasonings or things like that. You're going to want this email data to email particular genres of people on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, etc., Facebook. So that's why we would scrape pages like this to get social media profiles that actually pertain to the industry that maybe we want to sell to, or maybe we want to advertise for. There's a lot of different angles you can attack this, but this is a great way to get data through this particular service, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave the link in the lower portion of the video. And if you want to try the software, please click on the link. I get credit for it. Obviously, I'm an affiliate marketer, and I definitely appreciate that. And then also, with that in mind, if you use my link, I definitely help you throughout any processes, because I feel obligated to take care of the people who take care of me, right, guys? Again, just subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.